Before we start to teach today, let's discover what will motivate. Every learner's different, that's okay. Their favorite things can change each day. Choices help us learn and see what might be reinforcing naturally. Let's find what you like. We'll explore what's just right. Toys or games, music too. Finding what works best for you. Let's find what you like. Helping learning take flight when motivation leads the way. Success can grow a little more each day. Maybe blocks or maybe art. Maybe bubbles are the perfect start. A favorite snack or silly song, we'll keep observing all along. Preferences can change with time, so we'll check again and you'll help us decide what you like. We'll explore what's just right. Toys or games, music too. Finding what works best for you. Let's find what you like. Helping learning take flight when motivation leads the way. Success can grow a little more each day. Offer choices, watch and learn. See what captures interest in return. Every session helps us know which preferred items help skills grow. Let's find what you like. Making learning fun and bright. Different choices every day help us teach the ABA.